What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here, and I'm bringing y'all a quick little news update. It's back, baby! The CBR600rr is finally getting an update for the first time since 2013. So the official launch is supposed to be August 21st, and that's when most of the details will come in. But for now, a little teaser trailer has been dropped. So I'm just gonna go through, take some still shots, and look at some of the things that I can tell that's different in being updated. So first off, the fairing style has changed a little. Looking at the rear, it looks like it's the same. Good thing is we're keeping the undertail exhaust because that's one of the things that make the CBR600 so sexy. It also looks like the lights are being upgraded to some LEDs in the front. I'm surprised that they have not integrated the turn signals into the mirrors, but maybe that'll change by that official launch, but who knows. To me, it looks like the chassis will stay the same, so I bet it's the same frame going all the way back to 2007. That would be my guess. Some of you may know that the current 2020 model has the exact same frame as the 2007 model. One of the things I'm most excited about is the TFT display that they dropping in here. So again, the official launch isn't supposed to be till August 21st, so colors, we don't know what they're gonna be yet, but I'm guessing it'll be the red, white, and blue, like they did with the CBR600rr, and I bet they'll also do a matte black. Now, would I be excited to get this thing? No. If I were to buy another Super Sport, I would just get that 1000. I would get my dream bike. I would not settle for another 600 unless I really felt like the 600 looked better than the 1000, which it does not. So I definitely won't be purchasing this thing here. I am interested to see what the price point will be because I bet it's only gonna be about $4,000 cheaper than 1000. But yeah, man, that's all I got. I thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Peace.